Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a drip effect on Canva. So I'm just going to go to elements and I'm just going to get this square image and I'm just going to choose this blue color for it, and I'm going to go back to elements and I'm just going to search for drip, and I'm just going to use this one. Just going to add it to just like so. Change the color to white. And adjust it like so. Then I am going to save it as a PNG file, and make sure you select transparent background. Add it to Canva. I'm just going to crop this first. And once I crop this, I'm going to select edit image and I'm going to select background remover. And once you're done with that, just go to elements and search up anything you want, like a strawberry or something like that. I'm just going to choose strawberry for mine. For instance, like this picture over here. Oops. And then I'm just going to kind of adjust it and put it behind the drip effect. And you're just going to kind of adjust it to the picture a little bit. Like so. It's better if your drip doesn't look like mine, but yeah, and then go to the background and select the same color as the picture, so you have something that kind of looks like this. If there's still some stuff here, just crop it out like so, it will be deleted, but you have now this drip effect. I'm just going to type in like strawberry just to make it look a little bit more aesthetic. I'm just going to change the color of it too. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!